I'm going to compare these two silencers today on 3 different rifles. Got a Silencerco Hybrid 46 on the left, Dead Air Nomad 30 on the right. They both have their factory 5/8-24 mounts, direct thread. On a Ruger American 7.62x39 with, I'll be using Brown Bear 123 grain full metal jacket. The Ruger American 308 will have Federal 150 grain soft points. That's an 18-inch barrel. And then the Armalite AR-15 will be 55 grain Hornady soft points, and that's an 18-inch barrel. It has an ASR flash hider, so I'll use that ASR mount on both silencers. I'll start by using the 7.62x39, and then the 308, and then the 5.56. I'll shoot 1 round on steel with no silencer, and then I'll shoot 2 rounds using the hybrid, 1 on steel and then 1 in a berm, and then I'll switch to the Nomad and shoot 1 on steel and then 1 in the berm, and then go to the next rifle. It's always hard to tell how things sound, especially with like a phone, which is what I'm using to record with. I was shooting one hand and holding the phone with the other. It seems to like it mutes loud sounds and kind of amplifies the lower sounds, but just in my opinion, the Silencerco Hybrid actually may have sounded better on the 5.56, and I don't know if that has something to do with the ASR mount and flash hider. And the Nomad 30 to me sounded quieter on the 308 and the 7.62x39, but I know that I've shot this hybrid for several years, and this Nomad, that was the first time I shot it today, and it seemed to warm up a lot quicker, but seems like a pretty good can. One-handed accuracy, not so good.